Hi guys, Andy from Crypto Dealers here, and today I have to show you that the very bullish Bitcoin signal just flashed up, and this signal indicates that the next crypto bull run has just started. And in previous times when this signal flashed up, we had almost 6,000% plus in the Bitcoin price. Okay, so let me show you guys what happened. In this time from here, yeah, this signal flashed up on in January 2016, yeah, January 2016, and the Bitcoin price on 1st January 2016 was, the closing price was $368. Okay, and let me show you now the magic what happened after this. Let me show you guys. Let's go January, and we have to go at around $300. It's very bright outside here, guys. Let me just show you the price increase. And then we went up until this, and this is, let's say, 5,600%. 5,600%. Let's say if you would have entered, if you would have traded. By the way, guys, if you also want to trade and take advantage of the upcoming price moves, then if you use the links down in the description, you will always get the highest available bonuses. So let me tell you guys, if you would have entered, let's say, a long position, let's say you would have deposited $5,000 and would have opened a 20x leveraged long position, that means you would have had $100,000 long position, okay? And if you would have just stayed in this position and you would have sold there, let's say at about 5,600% plus, then your $100,000 position would have been $5.6 million, okay? So if you would have opened a long position at the right moment here and then stayed in this position, you would be a millionaire, okay? A millionaire, amazing. So, and the same signal here just flashed here. As you can see here, this signal just flashed, okay? And this means we could see another huge price move to the upside. For example, when it flashed here, let's say here, it was in June 2020. If you want to measure this move, let's say around, sorry guys, let's say the price move from here to up here, it's also around 500 or almost, yeah, 614%, let's say around 600%, yeah. If you would have traded this again with a $100,000 position, you would have 600,000. So this signal here, as you can see, is very powerful. Once this flashes, this green MACD cross here, yeah, this signal is so powerful. This can make you really rich, guys. This can make you really rich. That's why it's so important to be prepared now. If you haven't signed up to any platform right now, yeah, if you use the links on the description, you will always get the highest available bonuses. And once you deposit, you can enter a long position, because, guys, this can make you a lot of money. This can make you very rich, okay? So take care of this opportunity. I mean, use this opportunity, and you can make life-changing money right now, guys, okay? So if you like this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.